another video. If you are new to my channel, I welcome you. Welcome. So guys, today I'm here. I'm so excited. Yes guys, as you can see, I have here, you know what, this is one of my birthday gift, guys. Check it out. Yeah guys, yeah, so we are going to do a unboxing today, so stay tuned. All right, let me get something to cut the tape. So yes guys, right, so yes guys, let me, right, so this is off, this is off. This the package with the remote. It comes with two remote and batteries and stuff to screw it up. I'm going to put this to lie down, I think, because girl, I'm just trying like all so ooh, oh, let me take off the paper. What? Voila! And girl, guys, damn. Whew. I'm telling you, that's simple, you know. That's simple. Let me just take away the box. So yeah. So it comes with two. These are the foot, and this is the iron to screw them on. And then there is the next foam. So let us dispose of this. Give me a minute. I'm taking out these as well. Alright, so let me remove these out the way. So yes, this is the stand for the TV. This is if you are resting it on a dresser or a table or your chest or jar. Yeah, and you're going to use these. But I'm not going to use these, guys. I'm going to mount it up on the wall. So I bought a different stand. So as I said, these are the remote and stuff. I put this aside. And this is my gift, guys. Check it out. Here you have it. This is my TV. And this is a smart telly, guys. Yes. So I'm going to mount it on the wall. Let me show you the stand that I will be using. So right, this is the pocket that it come in, the stand. I started to do the mounting of the stand already, the screwing up. So this is it. So it's gonna be like this on the wall, and the TV is gonna be right here. Yeah. Right? So this is what I'm using. I'm not using this one. This is the one that the TV comes with. So this is a rotating mountain what you call it? Wall thingy. Anyway guys, stay tuned. When I finish mounting it up, I'm gonna come back and show you what it's looked like. So yes guys, so we finished mounting up the TV. This is it. And we're gonna take off the plastic. So we put in the Netflix and all of them things there already. So we'll take off the local plastic them and stuff. You know the thing go. Righty. Alright. So how are this now? Oh. Right. Yeah, so guys, here you have it. This is my birthday gift. It's your girl Kenisha saying thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.